Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to crochet this beautiful pattern. It looks the same on either side. In my channel, I share free crochet tutorials, so if you are new here, kindly subscribe. Let us begin. To begin, you make a slip knot. This is how I make a slip knot. After making a slip knot, take your crochet hook, go through this loop, pull this yarn to adjust the size of this loop so that it fits your crochet hook. Then you are going to chain any even number of stitches. 1, 2, 3. Chain an even number of stitches. 4, 5, 6, 7. So continue chaining. I have chained 20. 20 is an even number. Then after chaining even number of chains, add 1 chain for the turning of row 1. Then I'm skipping the chain that I have added. Go through the second chain, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through the 2. We have made a single crochet. Go through the next chain space, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through the 2. We have made the second single crochet. Go through the next chain space, draw up a loop and make a single crochet, and you are going to repeat doing that until the end. Make 1 single crochet into every chain space until the end. So I'm at the end making the last single crochet into the last chain space to finish row 1. Then to begin row 2, we are going to chain 1 and turn your work. After turning, we are going to work through the back loops only. If you see at the top, we have these 2 loops at the top, but now we are going to work on this 1 loop facing away. This is the back loop. So you make single crochets, but from the back loops. You go to the next one from the back loop and make a single crochet. You go to the next one, the back loop, make a single crochet. Go to the next stitch from the back loop and make a single crochet, and repeat doing that, making 1 single crochet into every stitch across from the back loop. When you get at the end, the last single crochet, instead of going through the back loop, you go through both the 2 loops and make a single crochet. To begin the next row, row 3, chain 1 and turn. After turning into this first stitch, make 1 single crochet going through both loops, not the back loop. Go through both loops, make a single crochet. After that, skip this one, go through the next one and make a single crochet. Then after that, you yarn over, go back to this stitch that we skipped, draw up a loop. You have 3 loops on your crochet hook. You yarn over, go through the stitch the second time, draw up a loop. Now you have 5 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over, draw through 4 only. then yarn over, draw through 2, and we are going to repeat that until the end. Skip the next stitch, go to the next one, make a single crochet, then after that yarn over, go back to the skipped stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, go through the stitch the second time, draw up a loop. Now you have 5 loops. Yarn over, draw through 4, then yarn over, draw through the 2. So repeat doing that until the end. Skip one, go to the next one, make a single crochet. After making a single crochet, yarn over, go through the stitch you skipped, draw up a loop, yarn over the second time, go through the stitch and draw up a loop. You have 5 loops. Yarn over, draw through 4, yarn over, draw through 2. So repeat the pattern until the end. When you get at the end, make one single crochet to finish row 3. To begin row 4, you chain 1 and turn. After turning, we are going to repeat what we did at row 3. So into the first stitch, make a single crochet, you skip this one at the top of this puff, this one, go to the next, make a single crochet. After making a single crochet, yarn over, go through this one we skipped, draw up a loop, yarn over, go through it the second time, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through 4, only, yarn over, draw through 2. We are going to repeat that across the row. You skip this one, go to the next, you skip the one at the top of the puff, go to the next one, make a single crochet, then yarn over, go through the stitch you skipped, draw up a loop, yarn over, go through it the second time, draw up a loop. You have 5 loops. Yarn over, draw through 4, yarn over, draw through the 2 to finish. Repeat that until the end. At the end, my row ends with one single crochet after making the puff. So this is what I have. To begin row 5, chain 1 and turn. Now we make single crochets from the back loops. You make one single crochet into every stitch across, but from the back loops. Make one single crochet into every stitch across from the back loops and repeat doing that until the end. Every stitch across from the back loops. At the end, the last one, you go through both loops, the last one only. After that, row 6, you chain 1, turn your work. It's a repeat of row 5. So you go through the first stitch from the back loop, make a single crochet, and continue making one single crochet into every stitch across. Make one single crochet into every stitch across from the back loop. This is a repeat of row 5, the same way we did row 5. So continue making one single crochet into every stitch across from the back loop. one single crochet into every stitch across from the back loop. The last one you make it going through both two loops. So that is the end of this pattern. You keep repeating rows 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6 until you have the height that you want.